Ka dorbar shnong jong shnong nongpoh proper ringkat kesing samla minta ka sngi galit banyakendu sendon ya UOC ka Nongpoh Police Station banyak keren sani halor ka jingnang roy ki Kam Sniew bad ki Kam Tuh Kam Thiem hakatha Nongpoh ka belawan ra ya ka jingbom shngan bad ka jing siir ki padba kumba dang hakini kisngi kaladan ka jingsha prong bad sha kendang ki dukan hakate ka jinglait kendu bad ki pulit ka thanat Nongpoh Police Station Nagaliang ka shnong Nongpoh hapo ka jingalam jong uba Sylvester Minsong kumurang ba shnong Samla Anthony Suchiang Secretary shnong lembar ki dekhot jong ka dorbar bad ka seng samla shnong Nongpoh kila yo banya keren sani halor ka mat bakong san ban wanra ya ka jingshong suk shong shngan hakatha Nongpoh bad ban pendu ajaj iki Kam Sniew bad kum ka dorbar shnong kala Kyrpad ru ki pulit ban penlong ka jing Pahara Miet night patrolling banyada na kinu ki Kam Sniew bad ki Kam Tuh Kam Thiem
Blay sibun ipi barok kinong sakam na ngani kupor ni nakaliang dal dorbar sinong Nongpoh propar ni wan hang ni hapo Nongpoh Police Station bani kendu ya OC dan armara ha bangi layo bani kren sepang lightly ki kam tu kam hang ni hapo Nongpoh propar jongi de nangkong ni la yo bani kren ha bede baki night patrolling bangin bu yakini ki nang apira for map nomor kerja kejing satu yaki dukan agini ki laidong center gate upgate di bahasa zaman la kapor agini ki naik di beladep di nilayo kejing kersan ai OC ba un ai ka jinyaram antaban patrolling antam bede bede surba nang ta kabar nilayo ni keren ru agri de kali tibala pen sange la penyang hangkai la slemba den kali yang yo siru ila ular ban ai ke jingarap bala kemunong yo ni keren ba USP ag ba mi sale itu benam bat kabalai agri de kene ke jing jaklia kanyut kanyer ke jing bread jung ni ki nong snong ke nong dukan di bade ni apa surok yakini nomor bagador barsinong dan sependu no yakini di dustbin nomor bah kalong ke isi ban page tam kepada harga main road dan nomor kata ila buru ke jing penbek lang rengkat dari OC hakria de bagane ka jingkit yakini kinyut kinyar di badai nagiyin kakali snong kan sawan arsin sitayau hakani ke compound bandum yakinyut kinyar di bami nagiyin gisam di song kuatar ni kini lightly bangi ya yo bani keren ni la yo wa kini keren gitu ya biang ha bani si digala ai kloy ini ban ai ke jirap kamtam me bede ne ko dorbar snong Nongpoh propar please.
Good afternoon everyone. I'm thankful that dorbar snong has approached have come to meet me here. Actually regarding your concern about the crime on the road and in Nongpoh area, this is our concern as well. We are also concerned about this rise in crime. So regarding this, we have taken some steps, like we have started our foot patrollings at night, all night. There will be a party who will be patrolling the whole Nongpoh town till the DC office, all these areas. And we have night mobile patrolling on the highway as well as on the town areas. They will be on the move at night. Like our patrolling party, we have evening patrolling and whole night again other patrolling. Besides our police station patrolling, we have this traffic branch also. They will also go for night mobile patrolling. So these are the preventive measures that we are taking to prevent all the crimes that is happening in our area. Another thing I want to inform you that on the night of 10th, we have apprehended some of the highway robbers, and they are already in judicial custody. And then last night, again, we have another 3 highway robbers have been arrested. And now we are going to forward them to court. So these are the steps that we are taking to prevent crime in our area. Another thing that regarding the vehicles kept on the service lane. I have to discuss with my seniors, with DSP Traffic and SPSR, and I'll let you know what steps we can take to make convenient for the general public. Then another last issue that we have discussed is that regarding the waste collection and all. I'll intimate all the staff quarters who are staying in the quarter that the arrangement that you have made for the disposal of waste, like twice a week, vehicle will come and to collect the waste, and there will be some minimal charges for the vehicles maintenance, or what can you say, the maintenance and all the